So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another stream. So in this session we are going to see gold, BTC and US oil, US tech. And if you want me to analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty or any Indian stocks, you can write down in the chat box. We will analyze Indian stock also. So mainly we will focus on gold and BTC. But if there is a setup or if there is a good momentum in US Tech, US 30 or any other crypto or Forex, we will see those, and also Indian stocks, indexes like Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, any index you can write down in the chat box. We will analyze the same index and stocks. So if you see this gold chart, yesterday had given a trade somewhere here and told that this would be your first target, but we ended the stream when the market was somewhere here, and you can see this target also hit and also good momentum seen from this bottom. If you holded this trade, you would have made good profit in this trade. And after reaching this next resistance, from this level market took a little retracement, but again there is a resistance over 3344, and from that market started falling. So if you look at the gold, and from this low to this high, we can see now currently it is trading around 0.5, and this could be a reversal level, and if it breaks then we can see this 0.6 level. So this would be our major level, and the second major level would be 3315. So let the market comes to this level, and if we see any reversal bullish candle at 15 minutes or 5 minutes, then we can plan to trade in buying side. But as there is a big buying in previous trend, we cannot plan for selling trade because it might reverse or change its trend at any time. So we should wait for a buying setup, and reversal trade we should plan. हेलो हेलो हेलो। कल का सेशन कैसा था, पूरा देखे? पूरा उसका कोर्स सेल करने आया आया जैसा लगा। हाँ, उसका तो कोर्स मतलब उसके है थोड़े बहुत, तो वो मतलब प्रो वाले कोर्स, लेकिन उतना लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं। जो बेसिक समझाया उस उतने में ही काम चल जाता, अगर प्रॉपरली ये फॉलोअप करेंगे तो पूरी सारी चीज़। So here you can plan small call set trade because of this reversal in gold. कब ज्वाइन हुए थे? मैं लेटली ज्वाइन हुए या इमीडिएटली ज्वाइन हुए थे तभी? 30 मिनट बाद ओके। If this low breaks, then we can see reversal from this level. This is our 0.6 level. So in this BTC trade in yesterday, almost our both target was hit. So this was our yesterday's trade, where our target 1 and target 2 both targeted when we trailed our SL to cost to cost. And now we can see how our levels are working. And in 4 hour chart, BTC is somewhat consolidating within 108 and 110. And if it breaks this 110, we can see some good targets and all-time high. And you can see our 50% target almost hit in gold from exactly momentum started coming from our entry. So here we entered because of this reversal level and also a proper bullish candle, that is hammer candle, and as you can see our SL was below this candle low and the market started moving in our direction. So almost we are near our target. Once it hits 3324, our 1:2 target will be done. Now you can trail your SL to cost so that we will not take any losses. Okay, now our SL is trailed to our buying price. So if market reverse from this level also, we will be having no loss, our capital will be safe. You should analyze in higher time frame and take entry in lower time frame with confirmation. So multiple confirmation must be compulsory so that your trade goes in a right direction, because if you take trades on simple with any one of your confirmation, then it won't work most of the time. The chances of hitting SL will be high. So confirm with multiple things. You can use fib tool, you can use confirmation of price action, and any chart pattern you feel that can be taken as a confirmation. If you use any indicator, that's also good. And I have explained about RS indicator, where you can use it for an indicator which explains you about overbought and oversold zones, where the market has overbought and where the market has oversold, so that you will get an idea whether market going to fall or going upside. You can use the indicator also. So I will show you once again how to use RSI indicator. If you go to indicators, just type RSI, that is relative strength index, and default. So I have made this extra settings. You no need to look at this yellow line. This is our violet line, is our RSI line. So if it reaches to 30, which means that the market is in oversold zone, and when the RSI is at 30, if the market is also at the bottom, and if you see any reversal candle, then you can go for buying. The same thing happened right now in this session. We took the trade somewhere here, the RSI was also around 30. So there was a multiple confirmation before taking any trades, and when the RSI shows that it is at 70 level, you can plan for selling, because which means that the market is overbought, the buying has completely over. So from this level there is a chance of selling, we can expect. This might be one of the confirmation. So if you see the chart, exactly where the RSI is at 70, see, and there is a confirmation that this is our bearish engulf. So here you can plan for a sell trade with 1:2. Here RSI also showing us that RSI is at 70. So there is a overbought in the market, so the market might go down. So if you shorted here also with the candle high as a sell, and you can use 1:2, 1:2.5. So from this RSI indicator also you can confirm before taking any trades. So let us see our target hits, or we will exit with cost to cost without any loss, because our entry point was this 3321. Now we already moved 10 points above. If this reverse also, we have trailed our SL to cost, so that we will exit with our no loss. 2.6. I think almost our 1:2 target done. So if you look at this, our entry was after this hammer candle, and if you can see this candle is low as our SL, and if you take RR 2.13. So we can take a trade in US oil. If a candle closes above this zone, and we can expect a target of long position. We'll take trade somewhere here, and our target would be, first target would be this, and our SL must be this breakout candles low. So this must be our entry, and our breakout candles low must be our SL. It is 1:5, or we can take 1:3 or 4. 1:3 will be fine. So this is our US oil trade. If a candle closes above this, then we can enter into this trade by SL keeping below this breakout candles low, and 1:3 our RR. See here, our almost target done in gold. Almost 1:3 target done in gold. I will take trade, you do analysis, sir. Please, you can take the trade, sir. And in gold, we are seeing 1:3 target hit, and even the market is moving towards our direction. So if you look at US oil in 5 minutes, there is no candle closing above this zone. I have told that candle must close above this zone so that we can enter. So you can ignore this trade, because only when the resistance level above candle closes, there we can enter into the trade, because this kind of wicks will trap you. So in gold, you can see our almost target 1:3 done, and the market might move till this 3325. If you look at higher time frame, you will get an idea how the market is at, why the market is moving upside, because there was a bullish move beside, and this was completely liquidity. So this comes under SMC, smart money concept, okay, where the market will create some liquidity of buyers and sellers, and then it will trap both buyers and sellers, and this part of market is called as retracement. Okay, this is our impulsive and this is our retracement. This retracement must be at 0.5 or 0.6, because market usually take retracement of 0.5 level, which means 50%. So if you check this measuring tool, see exactly the 50% of the market has taken the retracement, and exactly at this level in 1 minute chart we have seen a reversal candle, that is bullish engulf here, and that's why we enter into this trade here, and with SL below this candle low, and we took 1:3 risk to reward, and you can see even our TP hit and moving upside. You can see 1:5 3.5. And if you look at BTC, market is retracing from 0.6 level. So this was our reversal zone. So even though here you can see there is a reversal bearish candle. In gold, if you are having multiple quantities, you can book the half of the quantity, and half quantity you can trail. You can trail the half quantity in gold. See, our 3325 target has been done. Oh, what a buying moment! Crazy, crazy. if you look at the starting of this stream, you can go back to the stream from where I started. I think 30 minutes back. You can see exactly at this level I have given the trade. This is our retracement level. From here we can see a good buying, and we waited for this reversal candle, and when this hammer candle we took a trade here, and with the sell of this candle low, we just took 1:3, but you can see now this momentum 1:6. So look at the spikes at this gold. These buyers, this buying coming from these buyers, these are the one who taking the market upside. These are all traps, retracements, profit bookings. Oh. Crazy buying, crazy buying. If you look at 15-minute chart, you can see exactly the market is moving upside, and you can see the target now at 3334. And here we are having a minor resistance. From there we can see a little retracement. If it breaks, then definitely we can expect a target of 3334. One is to 6. If you holding this trade, this is going to be 1:11 if the complete target hits. Here our SL was very minor SL. You can see from only 3321 to 3320, only 1.23 rupees stop loss. And how many points we captured? 21 to 21, 28, 7 points. See, as I told you, there is a resistance over here. We can see a little retracement or reversal from this zone. And if it breaks, then we can expect a target of 33 34. In US 30, as you can see here, we have a support and an order block here, and if you can plan in this zone, we can expect 1:3 at this candle lows SL, and if you take 1:3, so this could be our target. So this was our okay. If you are still we have not taken trade, it's okay, but there was an order block, but this order block failed, so you can ignore here. So looking at higher time frame will be better in any charts. So we should not depend on 1 minute chart, we should see it for only confirmation, but you have to look at 15 minutes chart, 1 hour chart, 4 hours chart. So as I told you, if this resistance level breaks, we can expect a target of 3335.
Low battery. Power up. Zebronics, always ahead. Bluetooth mode. Z Vita Pro is now connected.
Double 330 is this resistance is difficult to break as of now in 1 minute chart, and once it breaks we can expect a target of 3335. So 2 times rejection we have seen it from 3330. So this was the resistance zone from where the market is reversing. If you look at BTC, BTC is taking reversal from 0.6 level, and this was also our we can say this is our order block in selling side. From this order block we are seeing a fall in the market. in US oil we can see a breakout in US oil. This was our resistance zone and there is breakout we have seen in 5-minute chart, and if you enter here with a stop loss and you can expect a target. So this could be your 1:4 RR, and if you look at 1-minute chart, here you could enter. This is our breakout and this is our retest in 5 minutes. So from this level market has breakdown, and now the same level, the breakout done with a proper retest, we entered into this trade with previous resistance target. So this is our selling zone. From here we have seen the selling in the market, so we can expect this target. So we have initiated first trade in US oil. Entry point was at 67.82 and TP 67.98. Now our SL would be 67.79. gold is all about to break the resistance of 3330. If it breaks, then we can expect a target of 3335. The target will hit very fastly if this resistance level breaks. So USL started moving in our direction. When the half of the target reaches, you can trail your SL to cost to cost. So half of our target is around 67.90. When the market reaches to this level, you can trail your SL to buying price, so that if market reverses from this, you would be exiting with no loss. You would be exiting with cost to cost. So when market from this level first moves to 67.9, here you can trail your SL to cost, then so this would be our 50% of the target, and if I mark this as a 50%, and once it reaches to this level, you can trail your SL to cost and let the market moves to the next target. If it reverses, you will exit with no loss, because you are trailing your SL to your buying price. So this is what is trailing the SL. And we can see our gold trade almost breaking our previous resistance. Then we can see the next target 3335 if this breaks and candle closes above this level. This candle should close above this resistance level. There is a huge buying we are seeing. So TP2, most probably our TP2 will going to hit. If you have not done any position till now, you can make a fresh position from this breakout and keep SL below this breakout candle low. Then you can expect a target of 3334. US oil, the momentum has started in US oil. So in this session we have taken only two trades, that is a trade in gold which we booked at 1:3, and if you have any holding this trade, still the trade is giving you around 1:10 11 target, and this would be our target too if this resistance breaks. Once again I will tell you, this is a major resistance here. If it breaks, then definitely we can see 3335. And another trade we have given in US oil, and this already momentum started. We can expect a target of 67.98. Almost our 50% target has been almost 50% target will be reached at this level, and once this target hits, we can trail our SL to cost, and we will hold the trade till 67.98, and if it reverses, no problem, we will exit with no loss. So already 1:3 we covered in gold. आ रहा 5 मिनट. So here you can see almost our 50% target hit. Now you can trail your result to cost. Now we will hold this trade till TP2, and our SL would be on our buying price, so that if market reverses from this level, our SL would be our buying price, so no loss in this trade. So look at the spikes in US oil. See this candle from here, how many points? 0.04. Look at these spikes. In this spike only many of the SL will hit. So your entry must be such that from your entry itself the market must move upside. So that's why our entry must be pinpoint in this way, so that chance of hitting your SL will be very less. So now you trailed your SL to cost, so that you will not taking any losses in this trade. Your capital is safe now. Moreover, you are in profit with gold trade of 1:3. If this SL hit to cost also, no issues, we will exit without any profit and loss. So we are waiting for our target 67.98. Let's see our target hit or our SL hit. In gold, trading around 3327. Today we have not traded in BTC, but in BTC you could see that here there is an order block from where the market is started falling. So if this continues, we could see the target of 108500, and from this level again it might bounce back. But today I was not interested in BTC because of this confused market. So there was a clear picture in gold, so we traded in gold, and our target hit in with 1:3 RR. And in second trade we are holding this trade of US oil. Let's see whether target hits or SL hits at cost. Okay guys, that's it for today from my side, and I will update you in tomorrow's stream about this trade, whether the target hits or SL. And hope you enjoyed this session. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like this stream and share with your friends who want to learn the trading and who want to learn this Indian market, crypto or forex. So that's it for today. We are ending the stream. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, let's wait for 5 minutes. Our target might hit at the live stream only. Okay, no issues. We have trailed our SL to cost, and if this comes at 67.82 our buying price, we will exit. We'll close this trade. Either target, either SL, no in between. Okay, we'll update this trade in tomorrow's session, whether this target hit or SL hit. Okay, we're closing the session. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.